apple pie for Bolster Tea Party.
Woo! Hi, greetings, friend. As Zen said, today we are making mini apple pies and invitations to a virtual tea party. Are you ready to go? She's been waiting so patiently while we got things set up for this. So let's go. Let me see your sifter. Where's the sifter? Good job. Put it over your bowl because we're going to take flour, sugar, and salt and put it in the sifter. So first, take one of the flours.
Put it all?
Yep, you can put it all. Good job. Yeah. And then to sift it, you kind of do a little shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky. That's good. Can mommy put in some more flour for you?
Yes.
Okay, let mommy put in some more flour. And you do the shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky. Can mommy put in the salt?
Yes.
You have to ask permission for these little lady toddlers. Shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky.
Can you help me?
Yeah, I'm gonna help you. And then I'm gonna put in the sugar. So we have all the things we need to shift. And mommy's...
Can you do it?
Yeah. Here, we'll do it together. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, we go. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it. Sift it, sift it. Shake it, shake it. Ah, look how it goes down in there, Zen. Huh? Shake it, shake it. So we have our flour, our sugar, and our salt sifted. The next thing we are going to do is add butter.
But I don't want to touch it with my hand.
You don't want to touch it with your hand? That's the fun part, Zen.
Fine.
Yeah, we gotta touch it with our hand, okay? You wanna touch it with your hand? Oh, and we forgot to mention, what's the first thing we do before we cook?
Wash your hand.
Wash your hands, so know that we're doing this with clean hands. Okay, get going. Oh, this is a really fun part. Oh, we put our hands in here and we break up the butter until it looks like fine breadcrumbs.
And keep our hands dirty.
We keep our hands dirty. Yeah, you can get dirty, girl, huh? Her dad is the clean one. I'm like, get down in there.
Is my gonna get dirty?
No, it probably won't. I mean, I guess if you get really crazy, make it a... Yeah, so see how mommy's doing it? You gotta like touch the butter and then kind of break it up. Yeah.
You put your hands like this, man. It's getting messy, friends.
So then we're gonna add in our egg yolk and our water.
Do that.
You wanna do it like that? So since mommy's hands are messier than yours, can you grab the egg yolk and the water? How does that feel? Yeah, did you touch it? Oh, let's do the water too.
I don't want to touch it.
Okay, we'll pour in the water. I like how you have me doing your dirty work. All right, so now that we have our egg yolk and our water added, we're gonna turn this into a ball. Huh? Oh, look at that, Zen. You don't want to get it on that fun?
What are we going to do next when we do that?
So that's a good question. What's next? So we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to let our dough kind of harden.
And we need to, you almost forgot,
What did I almost forget?
roll it.
To roll it? Yeah, so we roll it after we take it out of the refrigerator. So we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes.
And you almost forgot when you put it in the refrigerator.
What? Chop, chop, chop.
Make a circle.
Make a sugar?
Circle.
Oh, make a circle? Yeah, you're right. We did make the circle and then we rolled it out. Okay, so are you gonna roll it out, Zen? Or are you gonna say you don't want your hands to get dirty? Are you gonna roll?
Yes.
Okay, good deal. All right, so once you have a nice ball of dough, what do you do next, Zen?
Well, we put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes.
Good job. Now let's get some plastic wrap. Can you help me get it from here? Let's pull it together. Good job. Just kind of cover it up like this. Wow, do a little different than even I was expecting to. Yeah, you can touch it.
My hand is gonna not be dirty.
Oh, look at you. Clean girl.
Is it gonna be dirty?
No, well, I mean, when the plastic's on it, right? The dough doesn't get on your hands. All right, so you want to put that in the refrigerator? And you know what? Mommy wants to put another thing of plastic wrap around it, just because, I don't know. I just feel like that will... Oh, I'm sorry. Go for it. Tell my husband all the time, they're union jobs around here, and if you do a union job, you are in trouble. All right, you want to put this in the refrigerator? Okay, I'll let you go do that.
We're trying to make the flying filling.
It's time to make the filling for the pie. So we were starting off making apple pie, and then we realized we didn't have enough apples. So what fruits did we put in here, Zen?
Apple.
We have apples, and what else? And pears, and what else? And peaches. Yeah, so it's gonna be a yummy fruit pie.
And what are you gonna do with this one with that?
Uh-huh.
Are we gonna pour it now?
We're gonna pour it in there now, honey pie.
Apple?
Yeah. So we're pouring
smell it?
in. Sure, you can smell it. Oh, what does that smell like?
Apple.
Yeah.
Apple juice.
So we're pouring in 2 tablespoons of apple juice. And then a teaspoon of cinnamon. Ooh, do you want to smell it? Yeah, do it.
We gotta stir it, friends. We gotta stir it.
Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Wow. Good job. Oh, that looks so good. That's gonna be yummy, 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 yummy. Nice. No, we need to. Oh, sure, smell it.
Good.
Good.
We're gonna make invitations for our tea party.
While we wait for our dough to be ready.
Why is it started, baby? Hi, everybody. We're gonna make a present for to the tea party while we wait for the dough to be ready.
Great. So, right, so I just cut out the shape of the bottom of the pie, shape of a top, and that's how we're gonna glue it together. So, here's your glue, Zen. Take it away. Yep, rub it on there, a little bit of glue. Then we can spread it. Let me show you how to spread it. We can spread. Yeah, that's good, that's good.
Can I do it?
So we're gonna put a little pie cutout on there. Right there, yeah. Okay. Okay, then put this on top. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect, Zen. Perfect. Now we have to write our friend's name.
I'm gonna pretend.
You're gonna eat it for 10? Oh gosh. You ate it all? Was it yummy?
Yes.
Yeah. Good. That's a good sign.
Tia, eat yours?
You wanna eat mine? Sure, I'll eat mine too. So now we need to write our friend's name on there, huh? Yeah? Oh, look, Zen, that's perfect. You fit her name on there.
Let's have a tea pour.
That's right. So
C-E-N.
perfect. All right. Okay, so Zen, I think that we're all done for now, and we'll just wait for our dough to be ready. Are you ready to eat some lunch? Because Mommy's hungry. Let's eat some lunch.
Hi, everybody. We back now.
And what are we gonna do?
We're gonna roll the apple pie.
That's right, it's time to roll the dough. Yeah, look at that. Woo! Oh, and what do we do before we start cooking?
Wash our hands.
That's right, clean hand approved. So roll it, and roll it, and roll it. Wow, good job, Zen.
What? Push it on. Oh, that mommy.
I just get you started, and you keep doing what you do. right. So I'm going to use this little top to cut out some circles.
Can I do it?
You want to do it? Yeah, okay. Just put it down like that. And then mommy will get it up. Good job. Okay. Yeah. All right, good job.
It's gonna still be yummy.
I think it'll still be yummy, Mama.
You forgot to give it to me.
I forgot to give it. I did forget to give it to you. I'm sorry. Next time I'll remember. Thank you for reminding me nicely. Good job, Ben. That's perfect.
Can you do it?
Yep. I know. Got the little stinky fingers. Oh, that's a good idea to do more.
So you can do more.
Yeah, so we can make it a little more efficient. Oh, I love the way your brain works. Hey, is there a monster behind me? Can I put this up? Like get these done.
No,
Here you go.
Now we don't have all this.
That's okay. Here, we can do some more. Mama's got some tricks up her sleeves.
Hey everybody, we put those
Dough.
dough in the pan. Now we gonna do the food.
Perfecto. And just do one for each hole. Just do 1 spoonful. Is that looking yummy? And we put oil on the pan to make sure that it lifts out. And we have our tops and our egg whites to lightly brush over the top.
Wait a minute, everybody. This kid.
Who's trying to leave you out of the fun? Who's trying to leave you out of the fun? I'm not trying to leave him out of the fun. What's sister's doing? What are you doing right now? Sister's making apple pie. Does it sound yummy? You gotta eat it. You gotta wait till it cooks. Okay.
I'm gonna take a bite.
And you can bite out of the extra, that hole right there.
Can I eat it all?
Yeah, you can eat all of that. I'm just gonna leave this one. Maybe baby brother wants to try some. Baby brother, you want some?
Okay, everybody, we can put the top ones.
And preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
Now we're gonna put the egg white in the top.
How does that feel?
Sorry. We finished.
Yeah.
And bye-bye, everybody. Bye. Bye-bye.
But wait, we gotta put it in the bag for our friends first. Oh, this is yummy. Yeah, you did a good job. High five, good. Yeah. All right, let's put them in the bag then. First, let's put them in the bag. Here, let's take out.
I want some to eat it. I want some to eat.
Okay. I mean, you know.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe my video, and we gonna let you know that we have new different kinds of pills or different or rolls or apple pies.